This is how to use ripple editing in DaVinci Resolve to edit faster. What you might be doing is cutting up a clip into multiple sections and then deleting the section you don't want and then dragging this clip across. That's going to waste a lot of time. The first way to use ripple editing is to select the thing that you want to delete, hold down Shift and hit backspace. That's going to delete that clip, and you can see this one moved across. If you're trimming a clip, maybe you're trimming the start by moving this across and the end by moving this across. Now you have to go and click here and hit backspace to delete that, click this space, hit backspace just to move this clip along and get rid of the spaces. To do this more efficiently, change over to the Trim Edit tool by clicking here or hitting T on the keyboard. Hover over the top left of the clip till you see this symbol and then start dragging to the right. You can see this clip is getting shorter, but the clip after it is automatically rippling along, so we're not ending up with any space. Or move the mouse to the left to make this clip longer and push any remaining clips over to the right. You can do the same thing on the right-hand side of the clip to make it shorter or longer. When you finish with the Trim Edit tool, you can click here or hit A on the keyboard to switch back to selection mode.